laging ang mindset laging nasa aking is to win. Kailangan panalo ako dito. Yun ang aking yan ang aking attitude. When I go to a tournament, gusto ko ako'y manalo. I am Abraham Abe Avena. I'm known as Abe Avena. And I am 67 years old. Born in 1956. What a save, what a save, what a save. Oh, way back in if I'm not mistaken, in 1982. I was then in 82, 83. I was then in the poultry business that time. And a doctor in the name of Julius Cada introduced me to the game of golf. For him to make a sale, kailangan makumbinsi niya akong maglaro ng golf. He introduced to me the game doon mismo sa aking poultry. Okay. After interviewing me kung anong ginagawa ko, I said, I am a fan of ping pong. So I mean, what about golf? I don't know that game. Oh, I'm a golfer, sabi niya. Baka ito ang bagay sa iyo. Pumunta siya sa kanyang sasakyan, kinuha yung pamalo, 7 iron at saka 3 bola. Pumalo siya. Nilagay sa grass, pumalo siya, lumipad. Sabi niya, gagayahin mo nga. Pinalo ko yung bola, lumipad. Pinalo ko ulit yung bola, lumipad. Sabi niya, puta, pwede ka mag-golf. That was the start of my loving the game.
Yes! Yes! Nice.
I'm forcing myself to perform good. Kasi ayaw ko matalo, kailangan mag-perform ako ng and hindi ko na tinigilan to. Every time I go to the driving range, minimum of 15 buckets. Hindi ako umalis dun kung hindi 15 buckets. I can't count. Siguro ito, excluding yung napamigay. Kasi namimigay ako ng trophy. Ako yung nagpausong namimigay ng trophy pagka panalo ng trophy. Siguro ito yung mga nasa 350 or more ito. And then all others, yung iba, pinamimigay ko. Kasi pag Class A champion, pinamimigay ko. Mga runner-up, pinamimigay ko na. Gusto ko yung champion lang. I'm very glad napansin ng USANA yung talent natin sa golf. And I was invited to, I was chosen as one of their team elite athlete kung tawagin. Okay? And I'm very happy because I received a supply of supplements from them for 5 years. 5 taon ako na gano'n. Okay, challenges. Because of the love of the game, no? Yung gusto ko laging manalo eh. Yung bang winning attitude ang nasa akin. Pag sumali ako sa tournament, gusto ko ako'y manalo. So, ang ginagawa ko is talagang pinaghahandaan ko ang bawat tournament. Okay? I don't just go to a fight or a tournament na hindi ako nakahanda. Pinaghahandaan, lalong-lalo yung mga talagang merong timbang ng mga tournaments. Especially yung mga club championship na yan. Yung mga national tournaments na yan. Pinaghahandaan ko yan, hindi maaaring hindi. Kasi ang ano nga is I want to win. If you want to win, you have to prepare. Hindi lang basta sumali ka dyan na hindi ka preparado. Even up to the point of yung nutrition ng katawan. Yung, ako, napag-aralan ko na yung katawan ko. Number one is siguro yung mental side of the game. Ang aking ano dyan is, hindi naman ako yung swing ko is hindi classic na talagang magandang swing, no? Pero, ang result, nananalo palagi. Maybe because of yung mindset, gusto manalo. Okay? So, anong ginagawa? Pinaghahandaan talaga. Hindi po pwedeng hindi nakahanda. You have to fight, you have to join any fight na kailangan manalo. Yun ang mindset. Hindi basta-basta sasali na hindi mananalo. Okay, since the game is yung bang ito nakaka-addict na laro ito eh. Yung bang ang akala mo ay okay na, no? Yung pala hindi pa. So parang merong challenge sa sarili na meron kang gustong patunayan sa sarili mo eh. Okay? The reason why you are joining tournaments is for you to win, di ba? Ang ano is play your best all the time and accept immediate fault, immediate parang agad-agad hindi ka dapat bit-bit ng iyong mali for so many holes, no? Dapat yan kumbaga sa ni positive attitude. Nagkamali ka pero yon ay isa lang yon and you can still recover. Move on. Walang ano dito kasi we're human to make mistake, no? Pero the next move is a better move. Kumbaga sa naging failure yon, so kailangan i-recover mo siya. So you do better. Kailangan gagalingan mo. Nagkamali ka, i-recover mo yon. Ang defeat sa akin lesson pa rin. You go back, bakit ka natalo? Ibig sabihin merong review, merong assessment, bakit nagkaganon. So it's a lesson. Defeat is a lesson for you to perform better next time. Yan ang diyan. Okay, to all the golf lovers like me, don't stop striving for good game in golf. Ang payo ko ay learn the game from good players, play with good players, keep playing golf. Dahil ako, katulad ko, parang buhay na buhay ako lagi pag golf ang pinag-usapan eh. And I am encouraging all of you to continue playing golf. Manghikayat pa kayo kung maaari. Joining tournaments is will keep you going. Kasi sa tournaments gusto mo rin manalo, so ang aking payo ay paghandaan ninyo ang bawat laro, paghandaan niyo ang bawat tournament para kayo'y pag-uwi ay masaya din.
Than the 2023 Senior Club Champion of Mount Manalaya, Abraham Avena.
Congratulations, Abraham Avena! Congratulations once again, Abraham Avena.
Masaya din. Masarap manalo. Masarap pag uwi mo ay meron kang bit-bit na trophy. Yan ang aking mensahe sa lahat ng mga katulad ko o lahat ng mga nag-uumpisa maglaro ng golf.
See you in the World Finals.